me say something that might make some people uncomfortable. Jamaica is not lacking in talent. Jamaica is lacking something else that we used to have in abundance. And no, I'm not talking about money. I'm talking about something else. One thing we really need to bring back here in Jamaica is that deep-rooted respect and accountability in our culture and in our youth. Not fake respect, not respect for the camera, real respect.
Jay says 87.6 Jamaican man song. Oh no you know. Come take a journey across the sea to the land of sunshine, culture and history. Jay says 87.6, it's the place to be when we uncover Jamaica's legacy.
Now when I was growing up, and that was not very long ago, but when I was growing up, if you passed an elderly person and you didn't say good morning, it wasn't just a problem for you. It was a problem also for your entire household. Trust me, the community would correct you and your parents would back them. In contrast to today though, correction is seen as disrespect and discipline as hate, and guidance is seen as interference. But back then, correction meant somebody actually cared, not just for you but for your well-being as well. One important thing is community parenting. Back in my time, we used to have community parenting. Any adult could put you aside and say, young man, fix up yourself. And you know what? Instead of arguing and instead of getting offended, we would just pull aside and fix up ourselves. Nowadays, too many youths are growing up without boundaries. And boundaries aren't punishment. Boundaries are actually protection. Protection from all the chaos that is out in society. One other thing is the work ethic and the patience. Back then, we respected honest work. We respected slow grind. And we understood the very importance of success and how much time success really took. Now in today's society, our culture pushes fast money, fast fame, quick validation, and especially online. And that pressure is shaping how young people see themselves and their worth in today's day and age. Big problem for Jamaica right now. One thing, respect for education and elders, that was a very, very big thing back then. There was a time when education was seen as a privilege and not a burden. And you know what? Old elders were not just old people, they were walking libraries and life experiences. Boy, that is a dying culture in today's day and age, because nobody respects old people anymore. Now, too many youths are listening to more on social media rather than anything else. They don't even want to listen to people who actually lived through struggle and survived it. Now, honestly, when you look at public behavior and public representation, we understand that how we behave in public reflects our family and our community. You don't just embrace the bad things, but some of these youth just embarrass themselves, and the embarrassment of our people as Jamaicans. When you see them out there and how they behave, it is a shame. And that sense of collective responsibility that we once had, it used to keep a lot of us in check. But nowadays, nobody has that kind of check and balance in our day and age, in our society right now. But one thing is for certain though, you see, gratitude and resilience, we were raised to appreciate the little things and to be grateful, to endure hardship without losing ourselves. That's something that a lot of young people don't have these days. It really sad, you know. Honestly, it really sad. But today's youths face real pressure. Mental, emotional, financial. But many are trying to cope with this same support system that we had. But some, they're just stubborn and they don't want to hear nothing from no elders, because elders are old people and this a new age. But it's sad, but you know, we have to reframe the whole thing. It's not an anti-youth campaign. And let me be clear, this is not about bashing today's youth. This is about asking what values did we have that shaped stronger, more grounded young people. That's the question, that's a real question. And to be honest, I am not asking for Jamaica to go backwards. But maybe, just maybe, we need to remember the values that once held our youth, that once held our communities, and that once held our people together. Really and truly, these are the values that we need to go back to. Now, if you grew up in old time Jamaica, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So tell me, what's one value you think we need to bring back in this modern Jamaican society of today's age? Drop it in the comment section and let me know. Let's talk about it in the comment section. We can reason about it, man. Something that you'd like to see us bring back. Just drop it in the comment section and let's reason about it. Yeah, man, make we have a talk about it. And if you appreciate this type of content from JSA's876, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Yeah, man, spread it out so that people can really hear about old time Jamaica and how we would like to see us improve the quality of Jamaican living in today's society. Make sure to join us on the next one. And until next time, Jay says, and we are out of here.